For this quick tip, you will learn of the new functionality in drawings in the 2022 May release. With this May 2022 release, the main addition to the drawing environment is the addition of auxiliary views. With this new view type, you can now create views perpendicular or parallel to model edges of the base view. This is especially useful when your model has features that are not perpendicular or parallel to the main view. In this example, we have a pocket hole jig that allows a user to create pocket holes when making furniture. As you can see, we need to dimension the holes that are at an angle to the base view. With the new auxiliary view, we simply start the view and select the line we wish to project off of, and pull it either parallel or perpendicular to this line. Now you can see a view that is looking directly at the holes and allows you to dimension the holes in this model. Now you know how to use auxiliary views in Fusion 360. If you would like to keep up to date with all the new functionality being released in Fusion 360, please like and subscribe to our channel.